The glow of the monitor cast a familiar light across Sarah's desk. As head of finance, month-end meant a storm of paperwork, spreadsheets, and frantic emails. Her team was buried under invoices, purchase orders, and payment queries, chasing approvals, matching receipts, and untangling discrepancies. The process was slow, error-prone, and lacked real-time visibility. Sarah knew there had to be a better way. Her team spent more time on admin than analysis. Data was siloed, making it impossible to get a clear view of spending. She envisioned a world where automation and transparency freed her team for strategy. The core challenged fragmentation. Each step, vendor onboarding, purchase orders, goods receipt, payment, was a potential failure point. Without a single source of truth, her team was always reconciling between departments. SAP HANA promised to unify this landscape, transforming manual handoffs into seamless, automated workflows. For Sarah, this meant real-time insights, reduced costs, and empowered teams. The future of finance was clear, and it started with integration. The procure-to-pay journey starts with onboarding a new supplier. Manually, this means paper forms, emails, and error-prone data entry. SAP HANA digitizes and centralizes onboarding. Suppliers submit info via a secure portal, and the system validates data automatically. Once onboarded, employees create purchase requisitions through a user-friendly interface, selecting from pre-approved catalogs. Automated approval workflows route requests to the right manager, eliminating the need to chase signatures. Managers approve on desktop or mobile, with every action logged for transparency. This digital record is crucial for audits and compliance. The process enforces procurement policies and prevents unauthorized spending. Employees get faster service, managers approve on the go, and finance stops tracking down approvals. Most importantly, Sarah's team gains early visibility into spending commitments. They see purchase intentions in real time, not weeks later. This enables accurate cash flow forecasting and proactive budget management. The process shifts from reactive to strategic. Once a requisition is approved, SAP HANA auto-generates the purchase order and sends it electronically to the supplier. No manual re-entry, no errors, just instant digital confirmation. When goods arrive, the warehouse records the receipt directly in the system, often using a mobile device. Inventory updates instantly, linking the receipt to the purchase order. The three-way match begins. The system holds both the order and the receipt. SAP HANA flags discrepancies immediately, allowing quick resolution before invoices are processed. Sarah no longer calls the warehouse for updates. She checks the system. Real-time visibility means fewer delays and stronger supplier relationships. Operations and finance are finally connected in a unified view. The supplier's invoice arrives time for the three-way match. SAP HANA automates verification, using OCR to scan and match invoices to orders and receipts. If everything aligns, the invoice is posted for payment, no human touch needed. Discrepancies are flagged and routed to the right person for resolution. Every action is logged, ensuring compliance and preventing duplicate payments. Sarah sees all invoice statuses in real time. Payment runs are consolidated and executed with a few clicks. The system creates payment files and posts transactions automatically. Suppliers are paid accurately and on time, strengthening business relationships. Mastering Procure-to-Pay means following best practices, and SAP HANA makes them possible. Centralization breaks down silos, creating one source of truth for all data. Automation eliminates manual work, reduces errors, and frees staff for strategic tasks. The three-way match is enforced systematically, preventing overpayments and fraud. Real-time analytics provide instant insights into performance and compliance. Sarah can spot bottlenecks, monitor policy adherence, and negotiate better terms. Finance shifts from scorekeeper to strategic partner. With SAP HANA, the future of finance is proactive, data-driven, and fully integrated.